Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sunnyside Treats, and we back with another one. We got some wings today, even though I done burnt the bottom out. Where that top? Cause baby, I got some fries, even though I ate half of them on the ride home. Cheese fries. Try not to make a mess. I ate half of them on the ride here. I'm gonna take these out. They honey barbecue and the garlic parmesan from Wingstop. Take a few of those out. I'll clean it back up in a minute. So I got that from Wingstop. It's gonna be wings. Yummy garlic parmesan wings and honey barbecue wings. I also got some ranch. And I also have carrots. I'm gonna dip my carrots in my ranch, and I'm gonna put some of this on my wings. Honey barbecue, mustard, excuse me. Honey mustard. I'm gonna dip my wing in it too. That's what we're doing today, you guys. It's been a long day. I've been ripping and running all day long. Tomorrow is my birthday. I will be 38 years old. Woohoo! Yay me! Alright, I'll probably have to keep holding this up here. Might just do it like this. Trying to make sure y'all see carrots and everything. Alright, y'all, let's get into it. Alright. We got action. We got action. Alright, now I want to do the honey mustard into this garlic parmesan first and see how that go. Just a little bit. Y'all want the first bite though? Ooh, y'all so greedy. Save me some. Ooh, save me some. Every time I try to give y'all some of what I be having, I be wanting to share. Every time. Every time y'all be so greedy. Save me some, okay? Alright. Let's do this. A little ranch. I bet this fire. How was everybody's Thanksgiving? How was you guys' Thanksgiving? Did y'all have a packed house? We had quite a few people here over. I tried to post the video, but I think I deleted it. It won't let me post for something. Oh Lord. And excuse the hat and the mess. I need to open the window. Turn the fan on. 1 second, be right back. One second, and I'm back. Yeah, but so did y'all have a packed house for Thanksgiving? What all y'all did? Sit around, eat and drink like we did? Hopefully I can have my mom to go on my Facebook page and save the video and send it to me. Because for some reason I can't. I tried, it won't let me. I'm gonna try the carrot. And I hope everybody's weekend was good. Hope y'all had a good time. Let's try this one. Try not to go right in the light. I don't know. Let's try this in the honey mustard. I was craving wings today. My mom had came home with fish. I was like, I'll eat it later. I will eat it later. I'll eat the fish later. I don't want some wings right now. I'm craving wings today. I'm hungry all day. So y'all glad the holiday over season so far? As far as Thanksgiving, we still got Christmas going. I don't have time for that either. Celebrate none of that. All these kids gonna be getting all this stuff. Parents going crazy. Trying to buy all that stuff for their kids. That's how you clean a bone, though. Want a bone clean? That on the barbecue sauce kind of spicy. That's good, though. And this that garlic parmesan. Did y'all go to Black Friday? Or participate in Black Friday? I don't know what I was doing on Black Friday. I don't know if I was at the concert and also if I was asleep. Or something. I can't remember. Because I don't ever celebrate Black Friday. I don't be shopping. None of that stuff. This Sprite. Good old Sprite. I hope I can find that video from Thanksgiving though. I don't know what's going on. I know it's on my Facebook page, but I don't know where it's at in my phone. Hopefully I can find it so I can upload it so you guys can see it. Oh my god, man. Feel it all on my face. Messy. Messy. Excuse me. Carrots and some ranch. I love carrot. I just went to Walmart, bought a whole bag. But I bought these at Wingstop. And I also stopped in Walmart, bought a whole bag and some bananas. Sure did. Those bananas are good. And so is carrots. Chicken in that ranch one more again. One more again. You guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Hit the bell down below. Alright, do your dance. You know it's good. Just do it in. That's how you know it's good. When you do your dance. That's how you know it's good. When you do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. That's how you know it's good. You know it's good. You know it's good. That's how you know it's good. I wanted to do one of them spicy challenges, but I think I'm gonna die. Me and spicy food, we cool, but we ain't best friends. And baby, look, I got sinuses already. My nose be running. I be sweating on the top, like right here. Child. I don't know what's that. Spicy challenge. No. I want to do it. But baby. Oh, baby. That's how you get to it. That's how you get to it. I hope I can come on my nose this year. Some Sprite. Try to slide. I'm gonna have to, cause that thing got a hole in the bottom. Try not to make no mess. See about deep fries. I ate these on the way home. Cheese fries. I left my chicken in the car. Ran to Walmart, got me some fruits and stuff. I ate half the fries on the way home. And now I'm eating the chicken. Cheese fries. I'm going to the pool hall tomorrow. And if it don't, the weather don't be too bad, I'm on a boat ride. This is my birthday. Thanks to my mother now. They're gonna take me on the boat. With some of her friends. We're gonna kick it. We're gonna kick it. Kick it. You know what kick it is? Kick it and be sipping. I still bought some ranch out. I'm killing it ranch. Killing it. Do a little dance, make a little love, and get down night. I done cleaned them bones for real. For real, for real. Excuse me. I'll be 38 tomorrow. Woo-hoo. Almost 40, Lord. Almost. I ain't rushing it. Trust and believe me. I ain't rushing it. For real. Be like, wish you was still a kid. Because if I know now if I knew then what I know now, I would not have been trying to rush it. Because these bills don't stop coming. And you got to take care of yourself. Take care of your household. Buy your bills. Pay gas. Life insurance. Car insurance. Electric. Heat. Water. Gas. Food. Children. Animals. Look here. They got me. No, I'm kidding. A lot of responsibilities come with being an adult. I used to be a kid again, so I ain't got to pay for nothing. Hanging on my parents. But we know that ain't happening. Well, I can depend on him, but I still gotta pay my own bills here. And one garlic parmesan and one honey barbecue. I can't wait to go on that boat ride tomorrow. It'll be so fun. I have to wrap up. Because even if it's warm a little bit, that wind be whipping. It ain't gonna be no joke. Whatsoever. None whatsoever. I hope everybody enjoyed their holiday, their Thanksgiving. Hope you guys got to spend time with your family members and your loved ones. And I got stuff out in my teeth. I feel it. Let me know I'm on smell. But also, I like to say to those of us who have lost loved ones this year, and those one was not able to spend this holiday season with us, I just want to let them know that we love you, that we miss you, that we were proud of you in all of your life aspects, and we will forever keep you guys in our hearts. Excuse me. We love you guys. We will always keep you guys in our hearts. And we miss you so much. And I miss my friend Sabrina. I was thinking about her all day today. Had me in some kind of mood. And then, you know, my great grandmother, she passed November as well, but not this year. So, and her birthday is coming up on Christmas, so I already know how that goes. Me and November just don't quite get along yet. Not yet. We on two different waves, paths, atmospheres. It's December now, but we had passed in November. Sabrina passed November 14th, and my grandma passed in November. So, well, she passed years ago, but it don't matter because I still remember it like it was yesterday. And I'll be missing them. So, just thank God that everybody's here to be around each other, to love on each other, to support each other. If y'all got parents to love, y'all better show them, tell y'all parents y'all love them every day. For real. You never know. One hair in little wrong, there's a hill. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got two left. Let's go like Parmesan. Yum. You want some? Yum. You want some? Smacking. How you know it's good too? You get smacking. Or leg and shaking. Smacking. Uh-oh. We almost had a problem. A little dab of ranch. A little dab. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. Don't overdo it on Christmas and New Year's. Drive safely. Don't drink and drive. Call an Uber or something. A Lyft or somebody. Make sure you have a designated driver because these people is pulling people over left and right. And I do mean left and right. They even got the roadblocks here. Where they just pulling over you asking to see your ID and stuff. Checkpoints. That's probably a good part. I would love the part of the chicken neck. And that top hard part, that crunchy, that's the good part. It's gonna be red. We got a whole 2 jars now. That's okay. That's quite okay. I like my outfit. Check me out. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gotta back up drinking, but I ain't gonna drink it. I'm gonna get some water. Go get some water. I'm gonna figure out something right there. It's the last bite, you guys. Last bite. Last little yummy. I'll save me some of this. Save me some of this. Okay. Yum, yum, in my tongue. Yum, yum. Almost made me want to say, nom yo horegekium. Nom yo horegekium. Between the sun came up out of sister. Real good. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit the button down below, the red subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up button. That's to like the video. Make sure my nails ain't dirty. But like the video. And I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to Sunnyside Treats. You already know it's your girl Sunshine. Let's tackle this last one. We're gonna be out of here. You guys make sure y'all drive safely this holiday season. Like I said, get you out of designated driver. Uber, Lyft, something. Oh, let me tell y'all what I did this weekend. So I went to Austin, right? And I went to go see Sheila E. and a couple of other artists. I posted them on my page. I probably should. I wonder if I should post them on my Instagram page. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want me to post the videos that I recorded at the Austin Jazz Fest. And I will post that on my Instagram. But look at this. A dog. It's over it. It's over it. It is done. Put that up. Get a little more of this. I'm gonna scrape the bowl. Shoot. Carrots be fine. Clean up my mess. And I will see you guys sooner than later. Once again, this is Sunshine. And I'm with Sunnyside Treats. I love you guys for tuning in to my channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for even viewing the video. I appreciate it. You guys, also, like I said, I have a page on Instagram, which is Sunnyside Treats. And I'm your girl, Sunshine, the one and only. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I'm your girl, Sunshine, and we out this mug. Peace. That part.